Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shopping carts that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Wellmax shopping cart. The Wellmax grocery utility shopping cart is a highly efficient and well-designed alternative for any household. Featuring a compact and lightweight design, this cart can easily fit into any space and it can support up to 66 pounds. This shopping cart has been carefully constructed with premium metal materials to withstand long-term, frequent use while still remaining lightweight and portable. Maneuverability will never be an issue with this shopping cart. It features a 3-inch swivel front and 7-inch snap-on wheels in the back. The back wheels are easily removable, making setup and storage convenient and quick. The cart is highly versatile in its uses, as it can transport anything from groceries to camping gear, sporting equipment, beach gear and beyond. Plus, it is an alternative to a laundry basket or tool storage, providing a time-saving option that can take the hassle out of everyday tasks. Its portability and premium construction have made it our top pick overall. Moving on at number 4, we have the Mod Complete shopping cart. Our next pick is the perfect shopping companion for anyone. With its 300 pounds capacity and double basket, the Mod Huge Jumbo Folding Shopping Cart is ideal for people needing to transport large items or heavy loads. The foldable design ensures that the cart can be stored easily and won't take up too much space in your home. The shopping cart is made with high-quality steel and precision with a comfortable handlebar and soft foam grip for easy handling. Assembly is simple and hassle-free because there are no tools required for the 4-wheel snap assembly. The patented front and back wheel assembly mean you don't have to worry about complicated instructions or equipment. The jumbo size makes it perfect for any household, ensuring all your needs are met. At number 3, we have the LEADALLWAY shopping cart. LEADALLWAY grocery cart is an excellent choice for those who need a reliable and efficient cart to transport groceries, laundry, and other items. It features a large capacity of 50 liters and can hold up to 88 pounds. The reinforced handle allows tall users to comfortably pull the cart, while the original handle is designed for those with a slightly smaller stature. The cart is constructed of high-quality materials including aluminum, steel and plastic. It has 3 swivel wheels that make it easier to climb stairs, allowing you to unload groceries with ease. The 360-degree universal front wheels provide stability on any surface, from mud and grass to stairs, cobblestones and gravel. Installation is easy and the cart can be transformed within minutes to suit different requirements. This shopping cart is extremely versatile, not only ideal for grocery shopping but for carrying office supplies, suitcases and boxes. It even works as a beach gear transporter. At number 2, we have the Goplus shopping cart. The next shopping cart is a great choice for those who need to transport large items. The Goplus Jumbo Folding Shopping Cart is made of heavy-duty metal, making it durable and robust, and the paint prevents it from rusting. It also has a large cargo area and an extra back basket so users can keep their belongings near. Installation is easy, as all you have to do is attach the 4 wheels and you're ready to go. This cart is also easy to maneuver due to its 4 universal front wheels and large rubber rear wheels. It's lightweight and sturdy, which makes it even more convenient for everyday hauling or grocery shopping trips. Plus, it can be easily folded for transport, which saves both time and energy. And finally at number 1, we have the Pipishell shopping cart. The Pipishell shopping cart is the ideal choice for those looking to make their shopping trips easier and more comfortable. With its specific dimensions and high weight capacity, this utility shopping cart is a great asset. Its adjustable handle height ranges from 38.5 to 41.5 inches and features a thicker sponge handle for a secure grip. For easy maneuverability, this cart has 2 front swivel wheels that turn 360 degrees, so you can move in any direction quickly and easily. You can also snap the back wheels on or off for added convenience. To ensure optimal space saving, this cart folds into a compact size, making it perfect for storing in your car trunk or garage. It is designed to make your shopping trips easier, no matter how big or small they are. The lightweight yet sturdy construction helps you transport your purchases without any hassle or body strain.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.